Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Just wanted to give you an update because Ethereum is moving up quite strongly here, 4.24% currently here on CoinMarketCap, together with Solana currently leading that pump. Oh, Terra Luna as well and Polkadot, so they're all moving up quite a bit. Ethereum, we did expect that. It did tell you here in the last video that this move up here could be interpreted as a first impulse. I had on the chart here this ABC pattern and showed you that we can possibly expect here a move up after we hit here my support line of the target area, the minimum in that retracement. I still expect the price to go down lower, don't get me wrong, but we had here a first impulse. I did show you that in the last video, then a possible ABC, and this could have formed the base, as said, for an impulse up, and I think we are seeing that into the direction of that wave B. I wouldn't be too crazy about it. I think the maximum I would give it here is the 4,100 US dollars, basically here, that previous high up there. I think it will get problems to move through the descending trend line that we have here on the chart anyway. So I think at 3,500 there is to be serious resistance. We did have it before here, you know, but it's good to see it that Ethereum is still alive. After that, however, we could expect then the final move down. If that is a wave B, we would need to see the price go up all the way into the region of 3,900. It could even go up to 4,500, but I think at around 4,100 there will be the finish line for that move. Anyway, really happy about it because in this move down here, two of my buy orders triggered. One was here at 3,050 that triggered already a week ago, and then there was one exactly perfectly here at the low that was yesterday at 3,050. The price on various exchanges dropped just below 3,050. I think 3,045 it was here on Binance. My buy order was triggered on KuCoin. I know that some of you who've been following me on Discord, their buy orders were triggered as well. So that's good to see, especially as after just a day, we are already like 5 to 6% up. And if you want to join on Discord and see my buy and sell orders and get a lot of additional content, sometimes signals, you know, whenever I spot something, I share it, then feel free to check out the channel membership. You can do that on my website and you can find a link in the description. It's just at the top. Or you can even do that here on YouTube and join as a channel member there. Needs to be the silver membership. As bronze member, you get access to live streams, but not the Discord. Overall, you know, the downtrend is not broken yet here for Ethereum. You can see that we're still in this below the descending trend line. And even if we break that descending trend line, it would, in my view, only be a wave B for now. But we always want to be prepared for both scenarios. Ethereum could still, you know, it could theoretically now move up here and create new all-time highs. I still don't like that structure that it's built overall. Still quite impulsive to the downside, but it has done what it needed to do for that correction to finish the correction. So it did hit here my target area. That was I think the 0.618 fib level, yes, at 2,923. It did come to that level, touched the fib level, then started to move up here and build the first impulse to the upside. That could now be that wave B, as I said. Overall, the chart looks still fairly corrective, yeah, and the higher time frame indicators are still pointing to the downside, which is why I remain a bit skeptical, or really skeptical here about Ethereum. On the weekly, for example, the RSI is in the bearish range, and on the weekly MACD we still see the price falling. No sign of a recovery here yet. As soon as I see anything, I'll let you know. But I did talk about that potential impulse that could be forming. Anybody who's following me on my buy orders knows that I bought, and again, I try to, with these buy and sell orders, I try to buy at strategic levels, you know, at certain lows, at certain areas where with a high probability the price could turn around. And it did that here. It did it here again, just came down to that level again, the 3,050 level. And now it's moving up, which is good to see. My sell orders are way higher though, so I am willing to accept, in case the price drops further, I'm willing to accept any short-term losses. Don't really care about that. It has various reasons, taxes and everything. But of course, everybody who wants to take profits and took the trade here can do that at their own convenience. So I think, we can expect a bit of further upside here, certainly all the way up to the descending trend line here at around 3,500. That's also where the yellow line here, that the 200-day moving average, is sitting. If it breaks that, then I think we have the way free into this target area here between 3,800 and 4,500. But as I said, I think we can assume that at 4,100, that's probably it. All right, hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. And if you really like the content, maybe you really want to consider to join as a channel member. Over 500 members now on board and growing, and a really great community. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.